Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding Python's len, function versus length method. Introduction. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its simplicity and readability. When working with sequences like strings, lists, and tuples in Python, you often need to find their length. While some other programming languages provide a length method, Python uses the len function. In this tutorial, we'll explore why Python prefers len over a length method and how to use it effectively. Why len over a length method? Python embraces a design philosophy known as batteries included. This philosophy promotes the idea that Python should come with a comprehensive standard library that covers a wide range of functionalities. This design choice has several advantages. Consistency: Python aims to have a consistent and minimalistic syntax. Using a function like len instead of a method maintains consistency across different data types. Code reusability: the len function can work with any object that implements the sequence protocol. This includes strings, lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and more. By using a single function, you can write more versatile and reusable code. Easier maintenance: when Python adds support for new data types or objects, you don't need to update the code base to accommodate length methods for each of them. The len function automatically adapts to new data types, reducing code maintenance efforts. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use len. Using len with strings. Using len with lists. Using len with tuples. Using len with sets. Using len with dictionaries returns the number of keys. Conclusion. Python's choice of using the len function instead of a length method promotes consistency, code reusability, and easier maintenance of Python code bases. Whether you're working with strings, lists, tuples, sets, or dictionaries, the len function provides a straightforward and versatile way to find the length of a sequence or container. Embracing Python's design philosophy and using len will help you write cleaner and more maintainable code. ChatGPT